Okay, this is a little video to show the data sheet, the dynamic data sheet of the CTMP 2020. Not only does the CTMP 2020 offer outstanding 0.1% accuracy at any ratio, a built-in phase angle meter, but it also provides the best customer deliverables in terms of the data sheet and the presentation of the results to the customer. I'm going to open the data. The customer gets the viewer with the folder with his data. I'm going to open, there's a list of files. This is a sample, but there'd be all the files for the job you would have in here. This is CT431, the 431 being the breaker number. LO stands for load, and A phase. I'm going to open that. Okay, as you can see, over on the left, I have all the ratio results. The graph of the saturation curve and the saturation data is presented. Next, I can tab through it. That's the X2 tap, the X3 tap, the X4 tap, and back to the X1 tap. I just hit the tab key. The IEEE saturation point voltage appears in red. As it goes past the IEC saturation point, it appears in bright red. It's a little hard to read a log graph sometimes due to the compression of the lines, but with the CTMP, you can put your mouse on a point on the graph, and it will read the I and V voltage. Where I clicked was 97.724 volts and 0.1 amps. You click here on the curve, so I get I equals 0.54 amps and 354 volts. Down here is the note that I typed in when I saved it. Las Vegas substation breaker 431 A phase load 2005. You can enter information here suitable to your practice and how you do things. Over here I entered the winding resistance. I simply type the winding resistance value in here, press save winding resistance. The winding resistance has been saved in the file as 0.651. The CTMP does not do winding resistance. You have to do this with another instrument, but you can enter it in the data sheet. The CTMP does do burden. 0.933 is the burden impedance. It of course has the saturation voltage and calculate the ALF value. The WR scale is a value that scales the winding resistance per the ANSI standard tap. In other words, you just take the winding resistance across the whole winding, and then it takes the proportion of that when it calculates the accuracy limit factor. And that is the data sheet. Everything is right there. There's no thumbing through pages or looking at a static PDF. It's dynamic. Thank you for watching.